Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain median, which is also called as positional average. It is the mid value in the sorted list of number. Here are some numbers: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the mid value, means we will divide the first number into equally and the second and the last number equally. This is the first number, 2 and 3 equally, 5 and 6 equally. What is the mid value? 4. To determine the median value in the sequence of number, the number must be sorted or arranged in value order from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. Means here are some numbers: 2 which has not been arranged, 5, 3, 4, 1. After arranging these numbers from lowest to highest, the lowest value is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Then what will be the mid value? 3. First step, what we will do? First of all, we will arrange the numbers. We will sort the numbers like this way. After that, we will divide the number equally from the first part and from the last part equally, and the mid value will be 3. There are some rules from even number and for odd number. If there is an odd numbers, the median value is the number of that middle number. Means how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers. So in odd numbers, we will divide the number equally from the first and from the last, and the median value will be 3. But for even number, suppose I am adding one more numbers, 1, after sorting the data, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have sorted this data, and this is what? This is even number. So it is said that when the numbers will be even, then we will divide the first part of number equally and the last part of number equally, and we will add these two numbers and divide by 2. Calculation of median in individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Individual series: the series in which the items are listed singly. A separate value of the measurement is given to each item which have only one frequency. It means that in individual series, the value of x will be given only. Suppose I am taking one example. Here, if marks of 5 students of class 10 is given individually, that is 70, 82, 95, 90, and 98. These are the marks of 5 students given. So these are the value of x. Let's understand this with an example. For even numbers and for odd numbers. First of all, I am explaining even numbers. This is the number series. After that, we will sort the data. We will sort the numbers into ascending order, and we will apply the formula, that is size of n plus 1, n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n is 10. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have written over here 10 plus 1, that is 11. 11 divided by 2, that is 5.5 item. After this step, we have to add one more step, that is we have to apply this formula, median is equal to size of fifth item and size of sixth item. Why I am applying this formula? Because this is even numbers and the number is 5.5 item. 5.5 item means 5.5 item lies between fifth item and sixth item. Here fifth item is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is fifth item is 6 and sixth item is 7. We will add up these two numbers and divide by 2. 13 divided by 2, that is 6.5. So this is the value of median, 6.5. And for odd number, this is the number series. I have arranged the number into ascending order, that is 9, 13, 17, 18, 20, 25 and 30. After arranging the data, we will apply the formula, that is median is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2 item. Here n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 8 divided by 2. We will cut the value 4. Fourth item. Here fourth item is, we will count the number 1, 2, 3, 4. 18 is the fourth item. So 18 will be the answer. 18 is the median value. Discrete series. Discrete series is a ungrouped frequency distribution which has number of frequency. In individual series, there was given only the value of x, but in discrete series, the value of x and the value of f is given. Both the value is given in discrete series. For example, if 3 student, what is the value of x? F is 3, 9, 5, 2 and the value of x is 60, 70, 80 and 90. Let's see some example. Income means x and number of worker means f. Income is 1000, 2000, 2500, 3000 and 3400. Number of worker f, 6, 12, 9, 14 and 5. The total is 49. This is the value of n. CF means cumulative frequency. How we will find CF? The value of f is the value of CF. The first value of f is the first value of CF. Means the first value of f is 6. Then we will write 6 over here. After that, the first value of CF, that is 6, plus the second value of F, that is 12. Total is 18. Then the second value of CF is 18 and the third value of F is 9. We will add, then we will get 27. After that, we will add the third value of CF, that is 27, and add the fourth value of F, that is 14, 41. Then last 41 plus 5, that is 49. Now we will put this value into a formula. The formula is median is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2 item. And the value of n is 49 plus 1, that is 50 divided by 2, that is 25th item. 25th item. 25th item lies between 18 and 27. So we will take this value 27. The answer will be 2500. Example number 2. Find out the missing frequency. Median value is 12. Here median value is given, that is 12. Okay, we will suppose the missing frequency is x. Here is the question given item and frequency. Here we will put x, the missing frequency. Item x and frequency f, CF. The first value of f will be 1. We will write as it is over here, 1. After that we will add up the value. 1 plus 6, that is 7. 7 plus 4, that is 11. 11 plus x. 11x. 11 plus x plus 7. 18x. 18 plus x plus 2. That is 20 plus x. This is the value of n. Now we will put this value into a formula. Size of n plus 1 divided by 2 item. Size of n is 20 plus x plus 1 divided by 2. 20 plus x plus 1 divided by 2, that is 21x divided by 2. The median value was 12. The median value was 12. Here we will write median value. The median value here, median value was 12. Two will come over here with 12. That is 12 into 2 is equal to 21 plus x. 12 into 2, 24. 21 will come over here. Minus 21 is equal to 3. So the frequency is 3. Continuous series. In continuous series, the value of a variable is grouped into several class interval. It is also called grouped frequency distribution. In individual series, the value of x is only given. In discrete series, the value of x and f is given. And in continuous series, class interval is given. We will identify this way. Here is a question, marks of student, and here is the frequency. This is the example of continuous series. Question number 1. Class interval. This is x and this is frequency. Class interval x, frequency, and CF. I have told earlier, the first value of f will be CF. After that we will add the value with first value of CF and second value of f, means frequency. That is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. 20 plus 7 is equal to 27, and 27 plus 3 is equal to 30. The total n is 30. First we will find the value of size of n, and this is the formula of median. This is the formula of median. L1 n divided by 2 minus CF whole divided by f into C. L means lower limit of a median class. CF means cumulative frequency. F means frequency of the median class. C means magnitude of the median class interval, means difference of the class interval. Difference of the class interval means here the difference of the class interval is 5, then again 5. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2. Here size of n is 30 plus 1. 30 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 15th item. Fifteenth item lies between these two, 10 to 15 and 15 to 20. That is, this will be the L1, lower limit of a median class. CF, frequency will be this one, 8. This is the frequency, this is L1, and CF will be the above value of median class. The above value of median class is 12. Size of nth item. Here n divide by 2, that is 30. Now we will put the value. L1 is 15 plus n is 30 divided by 2 minus CF is 12 divided by 5. Frequency is 5 into C means class difference, that is 5. We will get the value 16.875. Thank you for watching my video.